TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 hours left to go until that closing bell, and quite a positive market pretty much across the board. You still have the Dow Jones negative by 43 points, trading at 23,989. Far cry from futures being negative almost 600 points pre-market this morning. Pretty remarkable. And S&P's positive by 1.5 points, trading at 2614. NASDAQ positive by 14 points, trading at 69.54. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and take a look at some of those markets. Start things off with the Dow 30. So as we said, as of about 6:20 this morning, the lows of that pre-market session were pretty much 23,365, and we are 15 points away from 600 positive points from that level, currently trading 23,947. Pretty remarkable, the fall overnight and then the rebound so far in the trading day. Even from the market open, there's your market open right there. 23,483. We're almost 500 points from that level. Can't keep track when we're talking about so many hundreds of points. S&P 500, pretty much same story. Pretty remarkable, except S&P 500 now above those levels. S&P and NASDAQ in positive territory. S&Ps were at a low of, let's call it 2560. From there, we're 55 S&P points from that level. Talking about over 2%. Pretty remarkable. And we got to get the NASDAQ 100 up, because that is quite an index as well. Going into our indices, US Tech 100, daily, pull up that chart. There we go. Quite a number, folks. We were down at 63.08 this morning. We're up at 64.75. You're talking about 167 NASDAQ 100 points. That is almost 3% from the lows this morning. Pretty remarkable. Crude oil also getting some action this morning with the EIA numbers coming out with a bit of a surprise at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We had a draw of 4.6 million barrels. Market was looking for an increase of 2 million barrels. From there, prices climbing almost a full dollar. We were trading about 62.35 prior to the news, trading 63.30 currently in crude. And Bitcoin, gold as well, down as the market reversed, kind of an inverse chart to the markets. Gold trading 1340, and then Bitcoin below 7,068.78. Stay tuned. We got our man, who's coming up? Steve Rhodes coming up right now for the Trader's Edge. Stay tuned, folks. Thanks.